practice in the doors. When pa na obi say yekoto abamana. Yeah, metimi akase monto my masumesi.
Okay.
Minim kura no from 1992 up to now no NDC and NPP for na ruling up to now. No kura metal to kwan. We are say minim baabi a menkoye. Me tu kwan pa na me hwa ade a me ko hu abruchiri. Ne ye mpayin for dodo na wo ko school abruchiri de omo ye na NPP ni NDC for. Men kasa obi anto abama omo.
You see, ya say, ya bema wa nke shaoma, ena kwate kwase mema ntuma bisade ni NDC NPP. Ni omo de betimi dia man nyina no omo de bema ni John Mahama, o prigirigidi o mayehwe, ye wura mi o mayehwe. O mesi toilet, ani akara toilet. O mesi toilet no mesi we na ya bojo say ya sit ska omo che no. Cha da bomb to ja, omo che ska. No cha beje he youth no mo nje mu wia nko tunti omo. Se ya hu se baby aga na ekono. Se ya njina na yi se bia nko ama Ghana bebo. Ai ebebo because a mine ma ye wono. Ye nim ye left from our right. Bisa hu se plan ben pa na NDC NPP omo for Ghana beyond the 4 years. No plan. But this man came and brought us something beyond 10 years. National manifesto. Or even how to go. Or the first presidential candidate. What we value each region in Ghana. Pacho Marco Baba Xposed GHFM Ben Bruce. Oh, subscribe, mommy. It's still Charles time. Now, one of the men who is a spiritualist and at the same time a learned man, Nana Jnana. He has been advocating for new force. I say 32 years since 1992. NDC NPP, nothing to show. I say it's time for us to vote for Nana Kwame Bediako because he believes in the vision that man has. Yankwati enemra yaba mefire.
Twaba because one twaba obi ba koyi obi amana bedi so ope umpo de obeka na beye.
Okay.
Ba obi za me say Nana nti practice in the doors. When pa na obi say yekoto abama na. Yeah. Metimi akase monto my masumesi.
Okay.
Minim kura no from 1992 up to now no NDC and NPP for na ruling up to now. No kura metal to kwan. We are say minim baabi a menkoye.
Okay.
Me tu kwan pa na me hwa ade a me ko hu abruchiri. Ne ye mpayin for dodo na wo ko school abruchiri de omo ye na NPP ni NDC for. Men kasa obi anto abama omo. And this is here with you.
Fantastic.
Se see ya ba ko to by a December. So obi say oji manum asem so e de atena beka to machada.
Wow.
And this is it with the new force. Me nim chada me nini share say. In fact, your program na nko beba.
Yes.
But me nim dinte wenti mama. But so tie ni nkasa yem. Ne na mo ne de okana. Such a person no okura vision. Ya nko bi why from say ye ma me hwe.
Yeah.
San nko bi no.
Obeya obepuvu.
As wontim ye ma me hwe. Obeya such a person no. Obasa no ma. Am be na this no di ache. E betime nka e for mo ntonche kaka no mo yenu nyanko position at the same time. No mo say dey. Yeah. The NDC te ha. NPP te ha no mo nyina your position party for a. Omo say Ghana for any answer na kwa animu. Okay, nti me I don't have any intention of going into politics. It is something I cannot do. I don't have the qualification. Because you look at Steve say politics is not one of the qualifications say you must be corrupt. I don't have that qualification. I can't do it.
Wow.
I will not survive too long. It doesn't mean that all politicians are corrupt. No. Okay. Some are not. But a few.
Yeah.
Or more influence into me change do.
Okay.
I don't want to get there. Nemum, a person who say Ghana for any other take. Now politics for me and wait me and they uncover and say you hold them accountable. That's when they will do the right thing. Until
you see, ya say ya bema wa nke shaoma ena kwate kwase mema ntuma bisade ni NDC NPP ni omo de betimi dia man nyina no omo de bema ni John Mahama o prigirigidi o mayehwe ye wura mi o mayehwe o mesi toilet ani akara toilet o mesi toilet no mesi we na ya bojo say ya sit ska omo che no cha da bomb to ja omo cheska no cha beje he youth no mo nje mu wia nko tunti omo Ghana ska. You see, ya papa Nana Kwame Bediako, me am Jnana or mama ska. So are other people on mama ska. But besides, why are we following him? Because after so many years, no, ni penny be. Your friend be skills. Who say fish or try skills there on a fee and so. Say who say baby a Ghana ekono. Say Jnana na yi se bia nko ama Ghana bebo ai ebebo because a minimum ye wono ye nim ye left from our right bisa wo say plan ben pa na NDC NPP omo for Ghana beyond the 4 years no plan but this man came and brought us something beyond 10 years national manifesto or even how to go or the first presidential candidate what we value each region in Ghana or saying how we can tap into that wealth into Ghana because I need to know how much the thing is worth. What saying say employment now most panel. Someone here be to say within 10 years you generate about 8 million jobs. Ghana will still be down. It's on the plan about you're moving Ghana rapidly because the human resources there, the youth we are eager to work. But ask yourself, there are no jobs. And when I'm share no be and kola be on them. No more turn there or you'll be in your man. See, Eduma where Eduma. Eduma kwasi Eduma say Eduma. Yen Eduma macre they can't dream. Ubisa akola say, what do you want to become? I say, nyame ya adom na mi wie school na mi nya car ba akubi mi nya dan ba akubia. Hey. Go to America. People are buying building skyscrapers. They are buying fleets of cars. And you are here dreaming say auto car ba akuna nya dan ba akwa. Because the Imperifono they are not giving us hope. And now we go school back cause university trust me. Owo nya juma nya because the Imperifono has run down the country. Papa no say me testy NDC NPP. Me who how it is nothing better is coming out. Ghanaians, let's give this man a chance because we share the dream, the kind of vision the man has, and your vision kwa vision awa ye bi da. Who say obisa memma wade a obisa say what do you have? And no bisa ye rakwa me bedi akuse e dia na wo betimi a che oniama wo ye mehyew. Or cities and your buildings or cities and doing business with people like Mayweather. That's the kind of man Ghana has and we are not seeing it. Because he doesn't belong to a political party. And no Jimmy Fobi can say, no, ba one no, so no be really. Only real for. Only real. Never really. Muni nonsense. I will say about anyone never really. Only real for. Nipa ni wa yen ye baboa no. Se mu hu se ne Ghana atete apansama enne sanya ye kan Ghana ye bo Ghana na nkofo osre yen Ghana tete du ba bia sebe ye ntimi mbo Ghana din enka asem some time ago world leaders almost boy ye bo Ghana with pride and ye bo Ghana na ye twe yen is it not shameful enough? And we are still here. How low do we want to go before we realize that NDC MPP won't help us? Some of us, we are doing the noise not for anything, but we want to see say yenchiman omenyi no menye juma papa ye. It's not about me. If it's about me, I have something small. But it's for my generation unborn. So that in future, me kwa woba and I'm in nanabi and yes no bisa say ejuma wan. On my ne and then I'm a shady. Your friend say the water snake go into the sea. No, I just seen in our brown. That's how stupid Ghanaians have become. The sea, what Ghana and I am brown. And then I'm a share BBC. I'm gonna take footage of it. I was surprised. I said, what is this? What is this? I am brown, and people think say we are not correct one bit. You're getting your juma. Where and when you say, "Mina make catch say you are destroying the environment." Who are we again? Say, who say you are destroying the environment? Now there's something wrong with you. The chiefs, are you not destroying your own culture? And then you depicting Ghana, but Papa by say, this is not water, this is mad, and you're dirty. That's how low Ghana has stood. Into make catch that summer is not because of the but make obi obema me hope for the future. Into say make now one for say hawa tena a time will come even dirty and so no kra unya bibu enom because of your jimienti Enye nyame amoa nyame aboa ne ye wo titanium. Do you know titanium? One of the rarest. E ka say ade bi rare. Ehun ye na e wo wiase na nyame asan ya ka ye ho. Ye say titanium ye wo deposit wa no ye hu bi da. Akoma be ni akede be mbiem na nyame nya yen. Enye jimi nya jimi a ede be mbiem pa na nyame nyankopon anko nya yen. Jimi ye jimi inti nyame kwahia ye na it say jimi e. Hey, titanium. People are just here one man broso. Bibia baby say na nyame dia man. But you know why God is doing that? Person Ghana will have excuse to say enunti na ya ye. Yes, nyame my obetie. Bibia baby say na dia man. Those time you say oh, ye anke oil la. Nyame my oil no na crude oil, petrol, cost so sa. Have you seen how stupid we are? Nyame my oil mom no. We haven't benefited in any way from oil. Rather, we are suffering. Yes, yo. Now see lithium ni akoton. Ye de atonton ya ni this cano. Kwase agim ye sa sabe obi anadwum nya ha no ni onyansa meton no madi. Ba ni onyansa no ono amrani no de ayade ama ni nchiba. Wo a wutie me. Papa nsa ni okan no say vote for new force. Vote for Nana Kwame Bediako. Vote number 12. Because when vote here, your future is doom. DOOM. I expose you, Chef Bambros. Also, try to subscribe. Yeah, the two pair when you be here, Manuesi.